In this video, we'll talk about fundamental duties. But before that, I'll discuss about 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. So there was the Sardar Swaran Singh Committee, which was set up in 1976, and they introduced 10 fundamental duties in the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Now, this 42nd Amendment Act is also known as in mini constitution. This act introduced 10 fundamental duties for the citizens of India. It is provided that it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to follow these fundamental duties. The objective of fundamental duties is to remind people their duties. These are very fundamental duties. So, 10 fundamental duties for every Indian citizen are: first, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Second is to cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Third is to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. Fourth is to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Fifth is to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities. To renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women, to renounce immoral practices against women. Sixth is to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, which is very important. Seventh is to protect and improve the national environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Eighth is to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Ninth is to safeguard public property and to abjure violence. And tenth is to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that nation constantly rise to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. You must also know that these fundamental duties are non-enforceable, that they are also called SD or sanctionless duties. So that's all. Thank you so much.